Hello, in this video I will show you some of the best features on POCO M7 Pro. First of all, I will show you something in the security app. Here we are able to find some of the options like cleaner, boost speed or deep cleaner. Everything from here allows you to get better optimization and get better experience of your POCO M7 Pro. For example, boost speed, you are able to get better optimization by clicking boost speed over here. It can help you with freeing up some of the RAM memory from your device. In the security app also I will show you something on the bottom. Here you can find something like a toolbox. Swipe up to open toolbox. This is like hidden section of the additional settings on your POCO M7 Pro. For example, you are able to find the game turbo over here. You can find dual apps, second space, and even hide apps and app locker. So for example, I will show you how the hide apps feature looks like. You can find all of your apps from this list on your phone and just simply select apps that you want to have in the hidden menu. So let's take a couple of these, and now if you want to get into these apps, you have to make this gesture on the home screen, like zoom in, and now you are in the hidden apps section. There is no way to find these apps on your POCO M7 Pro in the app drawer, for example. App locker allows you to lock off the apps by opening it by using the password. I will show you how it looks like. Let's open the app lock, click turn on over here, and now you have to set the password for the locked apps. Now do it again and click next. After that you are able to also sign into the Xiaomi account, but I will take note now. Now click use app lock. Also you can select the fingerprint unlock over here, but I will not doing this. And now as you can see, I have some of the apps in the app locker right now, but you can also select some of the additional apps from this list of your apps. So for example, I have the YouTube in the app locker. So now let's open the YouTube. And now, as you can see, I have to unlock this by using this password from the lock app, from the app locker. So this is how it looks like. It's very useful. Dual apps allows you to clone off your apps. For example, WhatsApp. Now, as you can see, I have dual apps enabled for the WhatsApp, but you can also do it just like that by turning it on by using this switcher. And now let me show you. I have two WhatsApp apps, 1 and 2, and this allows you to use two accounts on the POCO M7 Pro, two WhatsApp accounts, and this is like separate apps for it. Now I will show you something cool in the gallery. You can make here the private album by going to the albums by clicking this icon. You can swipe down and now you can open the private album. If you are doing this for the first time, you have to set password over here, but I have it done before. So now you are able to find private album over here. Let me show you. You can add the pictures by going to your gallery, and now let's hold on it, select items that I want to have in the private album, click add to album over here and private album, click OK. And now let's go to this album by swiping down in the albums, input this password, and now as you can see I have this in the private section, private album. This is very cool. On the home screen you are able to add some of the widgets. You have to hold on the blank space of your home screen and go to the widgets, and here you are able to find some of the widgets that you can add to your home screen. For example, let's take music widget, and now you are able to use this music widget. There is no need to going to the music app. You can set the music from this widget over here. Also, if you are using app drawer, I will show you how you can customize the background of this section. You can find this button in the top right corner, and now you are able going to the backgrounds, and now you can select light, dark mode or the automatic mode, and also you can adjust app drawer background transparency. So now I can select this for the 100%, click apply, and now as you can see I am in the app drawer and I have no background. So basically that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe this channel and check my other POCO M7 Pro videos.